Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Good morning from Nairobi. Currency markets: euro dollar 113.62, dollar index 96.43, Japanese yen 109.93, Swiss franc 100.23, pound 129.31. The Australian dollar, which was below 71, is at 0.7102. India rupee 71.565. South Korean won 1124.45. The Brazilian real 3.699. Egyptian pound 17.63. South African rand 13.5632. Yeah, I told you it was overcooked when it was down near in the 1330s. Euro dollar, this is a 1 year chart. I'm looking for a breakdown. I've been looking for a long time, but all the signs are now indicating to me we're going to break down below 110. Crypto universe may be in for a new round of pain, Fundstrat says. Digital currencies are on track to retest their fourth quarter lows in a weak technical position. The price structure for most cryptocurrencies remains weak and appears vulnerable to a pending breakdown to lower lows. Bitcoin, a break below the fourth quarter lows at 3,100. Where are we now? 3,370. Would imply a decline to 2,270, while a move above 4,200 is needed to signal Bitcoin is beginning to improve. I take you back to November 2017, when I asked everyone to book. It was my trade of the year in 2017 at $1,000, and it got up to about 10, and I said, just get out, because I'd never seen price inflation of that kind, and it took me back to, it is a curve each of them feels. Unmistakably, it is the parabola. They must have guessed once or twice, guessed and refused to believe that everything always collectively had been moving toward that purified shape latent in the sky, that shape of no surprise, no second chance, no return. The parabolic move in the markets, of course, is that kind of thing. Commodity markets: gold, where are we now? 1,303, 1,305 actually. I'm expecting it to continue downwards. I think it's going to find it tough to face down a stronger dollar. Crude oil, $53.96. We actually burst through the top of the range, but we've come back down into it. I think that was a false breakout, that we're going to slip from here. The hidden environmental toll of mining the world's sand. This is Yale E360, very interesting environmental commentary. By far the largest mining endeavor globally is digging up sand, mainly for the concrete that goes into buildings. But this little noticed and largely unregulated activity has serious costs, damaging rivers, wreaking havoc on coastal ecosystems, and even wiping away entire islands. The land beneath our feet is sinking away, said a 17-year-old girl named Kavya in a fishing village in the state of Kerala, posting a video on a mobile phone app about how excavators and dredgers had invaded her coastal community. Sand mining is the world's largest mining endeavor, responsible for 85% of all mineral extraction. It is also the least regulated, and quite possibly the most corrupt and environmentally destructive. So could this be a turning point? Concrete is the predominant use for sand, but sand also makes up 90% of asphalt on roads. It is also used for land reclamation in places like Singapore, widely used in industries such as glass manufacturing and fracking, where it forms part of the gritty mixture injected underground to fracture shale deposits and release natural gas or oil. Cocoa, the interesting chart from T Commodity, we can see that he could turn hot here, if you look at that chart. Emerging markets: Morgan Stanley, time to call a pause on the emerging market rally. They say total returns over the last 3 months have been aggressive, approaching 10%, and risks of a correction in DM risk assets are building.